Samantha Markle's desperate new legal fight against her sister Meghan Markle. I should not even use the word sister. Samantha, this is desperation. Please stop it. You're not going to go anywhere with this. It is a lost cause. This is now what? You can't refile the case because the judge dismissed it with prejudice. The only thing you can do is appeal it, and I'm sure I heard that you had appealed it before. So now I'm hearing that you appealed it 2 days after Meghan's birthday or 43rd birthday. Samantha, give it up. Nothing that Meghan has said about you is defamatory. Nothing. Everything she said is the truth. You need to give it up. Meghan will not like you. She will not talk to you. You are not sisters. Sometimes you have to cut your loss. And she has no interest whatsoever in formulating any kind of relationship with you. You need to give it up. Right? So we're going to take a deeper look into what Samantha is trying to achieve here, which is nothing. She's just wasting the court's time, wasting a lot of time because she's not going nowhere. I don't think she's going to get the appeal approved, or I don't think they will grant her any appeal. And even if they decide to be ridiculous, she cannot prove defamation because she has to be able to prove defamation. And what Meghan said was the truth. If it's the truth, it's not defamation. As a matter of fact, I think Meghan should be suing Samantha for defamation. It should be the reverse. So Samantha Markle, the estranged half-sister of Meghan Markle, has launched a new legal battle against the Duchess of Sussex. What new legal battle? Come on, she can only appeal it, right? This follows the dismissal of her initial defamation lawsuit, which was thrown out with prejudice, preventing her from refiling but allowing for an appeal. In this video, we will delve into the details of Samantha's latest legal actions, the context of the previous lawsuit, and the broader implications of her ongoing feud. One-sided feud, because Meghan don't even think she exists. Samantha's original lawsuit was centered on statements made by Meghan during her high-profile interview with Oprah Winfrey in 2021 and in the Netflix documentary series Harry and Meghan. Samantha alleged that Meghan falsely portrayed her as a lying, racist fame seeker, which she claimed damaged her reputation and ability to work. What reputation does Samantha have? What is she talking about? In March 2023, U.S. District Judge Charlene Edwards Honeywell dismissed the case with prejudice. The judge ruled that Meghan's statements were either opinions substantially true or not capable of being defamatory. Honeywell concluded that Samantha had failed to identify any statements that could support her defamation claims, emphasizing that the allegation suggested Samantha disagreed with Meghan's opinion rather than any factual inaccuracies. Despite the dismissal, Samantha's legal team has decided to appeal the ruling. In her appeal, or in their appeal, they argue that the judge did not fully consider the implications of Meghan's statements and omitted certain facts that could substantiate Samantha's defamation claims. They are seeking an oral argument to further clarify these issues, although a date for this hearing has not yet been met. Samantha's attorneys are focusing on specific statements made by Meghan, such as those in the Oprah Winfrey interview, where Meghan described her upbringing and her relationship with her half-siblings. Samantha contends that Meghan's portrayal of her as a lying, racist fame-monger has led to significant public embarrassment or harassment, and so should you be harassed, you're disgusting, affecting her daily life and professional opportunities. What professional opportunities? What was Meghan, Samantha doing apart from trying to leech off her sister's fame? Remember when she wrote the book Princess Pushy? I mean, she's the one that's aggravating this situation and perpetuating the lies and the misinformation on Meghan. She's the one that started it. She's really one of the ones that is to be blamed here. This legal battle is the latest development in the highly publicized feud between the Markle sisters. The intense media scrutiny surrounding their relationship has brought additional attention to their personal issues, often amplifying the animosity and tension between them. Meghan has consistently faced media attacks, with many of these narratives driven by racial undertones and biases, which have been a significant concern for both Harry and Meghan. And Samantha is one of the ones that are driving this hate towards her sister. Samantha, go and get a life. Meghan wants nothing to do with you. Samantha's ongoing legal efforts highlights the broader issue of how public figures navigate defamation claims, especially in the context of family disputes. The case also underscores the challenges of addressing alleged defamation when the statements in question are based on personal opinions, truth, and experiences. Moreover, this situation reflects the larger conversation about media responsibility and the impact of public statements on personal reputations. As social media and traditional media continue to play significant roles in shaping public perceptions, the outcomes of such legal battles could have far-reaching implications for how defamation cases are handled in the future. Samantha Markle's legal fight, or new legal fight, let me put that emphasis on new legal fight against Meghan Markle, represents a complex and ongoing saga that encapsulates personal, legal, and societal dimensions. As the appeal progresses, it will be crucial to monitor how the court addresses the nuances of defamation claims rooted in personal relationships and media portrayals. This case serves as a poignant reminder of the intricate interplay between family dynamics, public perceptions, and the legal system. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding story. So guys, I'm telling you, this case is going nowhere. Samantha can file all she wants. It is a dead case. Meghan spoke the truth. Samantha changed her name after Meghan announced her relationship with Harry. She was known as Rasmussen before, and even another name. After that, she changed it to Markle. So she's a fame hunger. Meghan at no point, because I think the judge even said at no point did Meghan say she was a fame hunger, and that they're putting in words in the case that Meghan did not say. And for defamation, you have to use the actual words that the person said. At no point did Meghan say she was fame hunger. But you know what? I think Samantha she knows who she is, she knows what she's about, and that is why she come with her ridiculous conversation, because Meghan never called her those things. And I think the judge even say, you're mischaracterizing what Meghan says, because at no point did Meghan say you were fame hunger. So I think the judge said, they said here, that plaintiff used one last name and then the name Markle soon after reports of defendant's relationship with Prince Harry was published is substantially true. That's what the judge said, based on the exhibit on the record. So the judges said, what I have before me is that you really did change your name after, right? Of which the court has taken judicial notice. Among the statements in Samantha's claims was one by Harry in the Netflix series, in which he said, perhaps the most troubling part of this is the number of British journalists interacting with and amplifying the hate and the lies. But Judge Honeywell said that this statement was included in the complaint is perplexing and suggests haste, a misunderstanding of the law, or a lack of diligence on the part of plaintiff's counsel. So she's saying, why was this in the lawsuit is perplexing to me. I don't even understand it. And the judge went on to say, it is unclear how this statement could be defamatory towards plaintiffs as it does not reference her, right? In her conclusion, Judge Honeywell wrote, plaintiff's claim will be dismissed with prejudice, because this is a third chance she gave her, as she has failed to identify any statements that could support a claim for defamation or defamation by implication by this point. Her third try at amending her complaint in either the book Finding Freedom, the Netflix series Harry and Meghan, or the defendant and her husband hour-long televised CBS interview. So the judge is saying, Samantha, this will not work. This is not happening. There's no way you can prove defamation here. So as discussed, we're saying Samantha has filed this new and potentially final appeal just 2 days after Meghan celebrated her 43rd birthday. Her lawyers are set to request an oral hearing. And of course, we know that's definitely going nowhere. So this is what I'm telling you. Samantha is fame hungry. She is just always trying to get at Meghan, trying to be in the news. She was one of the initial perpetrator of these attacks, these hate attacks towards Meghan. And yet still she's coming to cry foul about Meghan is trying to mess up her reputation. What reputation does she has? See here, the next part was that Samantha has filed a plausibly allege that they are defamatory in the first place. The judge noted that Meghan's comment about her childhood, where she said she grew up as an only child, was her merely opining, and that she did not have any close relationship with Samantha, which is true. She never see her for, I think, 17 years. So I don't understand what Samantha is trying to prove here. Judge Honeywell said that Samantha's claim that Meghan implied that she was a liar and a fame seeker was an improper mischaracterization of what the Duchess actually said. Turning to Meghan's statement that Samantha changed her name from Rasmussen, her married name, back to Markle after the Duchess began dating Harry, the judge says the gist was true. It was basically true. The judge wrote that plaintiff used one last name and then the name Markle soon after reports of defendant's relationship with Harry was published is substantially true. Based on the exhibit in the record, of which the court has taken notice. So Samantha needs to stop it. Because the judge is saying, basically, what Meghan is saying is true. So what is Samantha going back to court? What is this new legal challenge? It's not going to work, guys. I am telling you. So give it up, Samantha, and let's move on and call it a day. So guys, thank you for listening. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you never miss a beat. Bye.